36 questions. How far can you get? Let's go. Question 1. Which movie features Darth Vader? Is it A. Blade Runner, B. Dune, C. The Matrix, D. Star Wars? Option D. Star Wars. Darth Vader is a Star Wars icon. Question 2. Which movie has dinosaurs in a park? A. King Kong, B. Jurassic Park, C. Jumanji, D. Godzilla. Lock it in. Option B. Jurassic Park. Spielberg directed Jurassic Park. Most people miss that one. Question 3. Which movie stars a toy cowboy? A. Romeo and Juliet, B. The Indian in the Cupboard, C. Toy Story, or D. Small Soldiers? Option C. Toy Story. It launched Pixar feature films. Question 4. Which movie has the line, "I'll be back"? Is it A. Total Recall, B. The Terminator, C. Die Hard, D. Predator? Option B. The Terminator. Arnold plays a time-traveling cyborg. Quick fact, the line was ad-libbed by Schwarzenegger. Question 5. Which movie features Simba the Lion? A. The Jungle Book, B. Zootopia, C. The Lion King, D. Madagascar. Lock it in. Option C. The Lion King, Disney classic with Hakuna Matata. Question 6. Which movie is about a cooking rat? A. G-Force, B. Flushed Away, C. Ratatouille, or D. Bolt? Option C. Ratatouille. Remy teams up with a chef. Did you get it? Level 2. Level 2. Build up. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 7. Which movie has the line about chocolates? Is it A. Castaway, B. Forrest Gump, C. Big, D. The Green Mile? Option B. Forrest Gump. Tom Hanks plays the lead. Question 8. Which movie is set on Pandora? A. Avatar, B. Interstellar, C. Dune, D. Valerian. Lock it in. Option A. Avatar. Cameron created groundbreaking CGI. Quick fact, the Na'vi language was fully invented. Question 9. Which movie features Hannibal Lecter? A. Hannibal, B. Silence of the Lambs, C. Red Dragon, or D. Seven? Option B. Silence of the Lambs. Anthony Hopkins played the Doctor. Question 10. Which movie has a time-traveling DeLorean? Is it A. Bill and Ted, B. Hot Tub Time Machine, C. Back to the Future, D. Time Cop? Option C. Back to the Future. Marty McFly changes history. That one fools almost everyone. Question 11. Which movie offers the red pill? A. Dark City, B. Inception, C. Limitless, D. The Matrix. Lock it in. Option D. The Matrix. It transformed action visuals. Question 12. Which movie has Scottish warriors with blue paint? A. Kingdom of Heaven, B. Gladiator, C. Braveheart, or D. Rob Roy? Option C. Braveheart. Mel Gibson directed and starred. Quick fact, it won Best Picture at the Oscars. Level 3. Level 3. The Twist. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 13. Which movie has a man aging in reverse? Is it A. Benjamin Button, B. About Time, C. Looper, D. The Time Machine? Option A, Benjamin Button. Brad Pitt plays the title role. Question 14. Which movie has a young girl with a hitman? A. Leon the Professional. B. The Professional. C. The Equalizer. D. John Wick. Lock it in. Option A. Leon the Professional. It stars young Natalie Portman. No shame if you missed it. Question 15. Which movie explores dreams within dreams? A. Eternal Sunshine. B. Paprika. C. Shutter Island. Or D. Inception. Option D. Inception. DiCaprio leads a dream team. Question 16. Which movie has gangsters and non-linear plot? Is it A. Pulp Fiction. B. Reservoir Dogs. C. Lock, Stock. D. Snatch. Option A. Pulp Fiction. Tarantino wrote and directed it. Quick fact. Its soundtrack boosted surf rock revival. Question 17. Which movie features the ship Titanic? A. A Night to Remember. B. Titanic. C. The Abyss. D. Poseidon. Lock it in. Option B. Titanic. It won 11 Academy Awards. Question 18. Which classic follows Dorothy to Oz? A. Return to Oz. B. Wicked. C. Wizard of Oz. Or D. Oz, Great and Powerful. Option C. Wizard of Oz. It features ruby slippers. That's halfway. How's your score holding up? Level 4, speed round. 3 seconds per question. Ready? Go. Question 19. Pixar's debut movie? Is it A. Toy Story. B. Monsters, Inc. C. Finding Nemo. D. A Bug's Life. Option A. Toy Story. It introduced Buzz and Woody. Question 20. Yoda's debut movie? A. A New Hope. B. Phantom Menace. C. Empire Strikes Back. D. Revenge of the Sith. Lock it in. Option C. Empire Strikes Back. Yoda trains Luke Skywalker. Quick fact. Frank Oz performed and voiced Yoda. Question 21. Heath Ledger Joker movie? A. The Dark Knight. B. Batman Begins. C. The Dark Knight Rises. Or D. Joker? Option A. The Dark Knight. It redefined comic book films. Question 22. Iconic giant shark movie? Is it A. Deep Blue Sea. B. Sharknado. C. The Meg. D. Jaws. Option D. Jaws. Spielberg directed this thriller. Did you get it? Question 23. Goldfinger James Bond film? A. Thunderball. B. You Only Live Twice. C. Goldfinger. D. Dr. No. Lock it in. Option C. Goldfinger. It features laser table scene. Question 24. Tarantino movie with the bride? A. Kill Bill. B. Pulp Fiction. C. Inglourious Bastards. Or D. Django Unchained. Option A. Kill Bill. Uma Thurman seeks revenge. Quick fact. It was split into 2 volumes. Level 5. Expert. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 25. Which movie has the famous Copacabana tracking shot? Is it A. The Irishman. B. Goodfellas. C. Mean Streets. D. Casino. Option B. Goodfellas. Scorsese directed this mob classic. Question 26. Which movie follows prisoners at Shawshank? A. Shawshank Redemption. B. The Green Mile. C. Cool Hand Luke. D. Escape from Alcatraz. Lock it in. Option A, Shawshank Redemption, based on a Stephen King story. That one fools almost everyone. Question 27, Nolan movie about rival magicians? A, The Prestige, B, The Illusionist, C, Inception, or D, Now You See Me. Option A, The Prestige. It explores obsession and sacrifice. Question 28. Which movie is about ruthless oil drilling? Is it A, There Will Be Blood, B, No Country for Old Men, C, Giant, D, The Treasure of Sierra Madre? Option A, There Will Be Blood. Daniel Day-Lewis gives a landmark performance. Quick fact, I Drink Your Milkshake became iconic. Question 29. Which Hitchcock film has the shower scene? A, Psycho, B, North by Northwest, C, Rear Window, D, Vertigo. Lock it in. Option A, Psycho. It was released in 1960. Question 30. Which movie features hitman Anton Chigurh? A, Sicario, B, No Country for Old Men, C, You Were Never Really Here, or D, The Counselor? Option B, No Country for Old Men. Javier Bardem won an Oscar. No shame if you missed it. Level 6, the final level. Still perfect? Tell me in the comments. Question 31. Which 1979 film takes place on the Nostromo? Is it A, Alien, B, Pandorum, C, Event Horizon, D, The Thing? Option A, Alien. Ridley Scott directed this horror. 5 left. This is where most people fall. Question 32. Which Kubrick film features AI how? A, The Shining, B, 2001 Space Odyssey, C, A Clockwork Orange, D, Doctor Strangelove. Lock it in. Option B, 2001 Space Odyssey. It is a sci-fi landmark. Quick fact, HAL stands for Heuristically Programmed Algorithmic Computer. Question 33, which movie features Tyler Durden? A, Memento, B, American Psycho, C, The Machinist, or D, Fight Club? Option D, Fight Club. It critiques consumer culture. Question 34. Which film has the line, "Here's Johnny"? Is it A, Misery, B, The Exorcist, C, The Shining, D, Poltergeist? Option C, The Shining. Jack Nicholson plays the father. Most people miss that one. Question 35. Best known spaghetti western. A, Fistful of Dollars, B, Good, Bad, and Ugly, C, Once Upon a Time West, D, For Few Dollars More. Lock it in. Option B, Good, Bad, and Ugly. It stars Clint Eastwood. One more after this. Make it count. Question 36. Which Scorsese film is a brutal boxing biopic? A, Casino, B, Raging Bull, C, The Departed, or D, Goodfellas? Option B, Raging Bull. De Niro gained 50 pounds. Quick fact, it is shot almost entirely in black and white. That's all 36 questions. How did you score? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more quiz challenges.